Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I know this is not the look you have tuned into, but I was editing the video last night and I realized I haven't shot the intro, so yeah, that is that. So we are just going to do the green, the plush money look, not this one, the money one, right? And yeah, I'm just here for the intro. This look is just for the intro and this will be up in June for the Pride month. So yeah, if you want to see this look, I'll link it in the description box if it's already up. If it's not, please wait for a while. This is like not the look tutorial, actually it's the review for the color board palette. And if you want to see how I felt about the color board palette, because I have a very how should I say this, detailed review for it. So if you want to see how I felt about it, let's get into the video, watch the full video, right? So yeah, let's go. The base makeup has already been done. Definitely color board is going to be the star palette for the day, because I literally got this for this green look, and this is how it looks, right? The green portion of it. I'll give you more about it. Okay, I'll show you this later. But I do have like a little bit of different palettes as well, just in case I need to try something else. So that is that. But let us start off with color board itself. So color board actually comes in this one. Okay. This is exactly where I don't like this type of stuff. This is the first part, right? See, already my nail is inside the shadow, and this is the reason why this is not a very how should I say this, compatible in using, very comfortable in using type of eyeshadow palette, because this is just going to ruin your eyeshadows. So this is the orange compartment, right? This is the blue one, and the last one is this purple one, purple/pink and all that jazz. And let me just keep it closed for today, okay? So this is a type of palette you would rather keep on your desk and use it, rather than holding it in your hands, showing it to people. You can't do it. You have to use it while keeping it on the table. Now this palette, definitely if you are going to compare this palette, all the pans in this palette, you will definitely find some of the colors are repetitive. Like you can see this yellow and this yellow over here, this is a very repetitive color. Like both of them are very similar. I don't find much difference in both of these colors. Another shade that I find was more like already there is this green in this blue compartment, and this green in the first green one, and then this green in the blue one. See how similar they are. So definitely there are a few colors that are repeating itself, right? So if it says it has 60 shades, I wouldn't say it has 60 shades, because some of the shades are repetitive, and I do feel that all these repetitive shades could have been you know, I don't know, replaced with some shades that are a little bit more different and, you know, better shades. So I feel this palette is the green portion that you see, although this is like a good green, but I definitely feel like a good how should I say this, lime green, neon green sort of shade. If it would have been added to this green, it would have been like a complete pretty green palette, which is completely missing in this green compartment. And I do feel like they could have literally, see, also you see these two shimmer of greens, these are similar, guys. This is like literally identical shimmer. So that's literally what I've said. So you cannot expect to have like full 60 different shades. No, definitely there are a lot of repetitive products, and I got this for 450 rupees. Just in case I forgot to tell you, I literally got it for 450 rupees. That is bonkers, right? I got it from Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description box for you to check out, right? Many websites actually sell the same palette in almost like 1500, 2k rupees, but I got it for 450, which is a steal deal. It was a thunder steal deal. So yeah, let us start off with the green portion now. I'm just taking like a brush, and I think I'll start off with this green right here, right? Definitely some kickback in the pan, color in the crease. Now, oh wow, definitely this color has some good pigment. You can see this is pigmented, this is nice, right? Now this palette definitely is promising. That's why it is being so widely used, and you know, it has become literally famous within months of its existence, like literally days of its existence, and everybody was like, oh my god, we want the color board, we want the color board. So definitely there is something about this palette which is working, and people are liking it. Yeah. Initially I wanted to buy this, but I really felt like 1500, 2k rupees was a lot of investment. Definitely it is, so I wasn't sure if I really need to get this or not. But then I found it on Amazon for 50 rupees, and I was like, okay, we can definitely do that. Now I want to put out one thing very clearly. The probability that this is a fake palette is literally next to 0, because this is already like a Chinese palette. A Chinese palette wouldn't have a Chinese rip-off to it. So this definitely is 100% genuine. It clearly says it is made in China, obviously, which means this is an original palette. Now I'm taking this sort of olive green color on a blending brush, and we are going to blend this green with this sort of olive green color. I want to have like a very healthy concoction of a lot of greens. So yeah. Okay, now one thing I really want to tell you is that I literally searched far and wide, from national to international brands, everything, and I was unable to find like good shades of green throughout. Like any palette that would have a good healthy combination of greens, it was so hard to find out. Only the palette that was really appealing to me was Blood Money palette from Jeffree Star, and that was literally 5k 6k rupees. I wasn't ready for another kidney operation so I didn't go for that, right? So see, even this is very pigmented. It has a good olive sort of texture to it, and I think I just took it way beyond needed. I'm just going to buff it with a clean brush. Okay, it is an exaggerated look. I don't mind it. Also, we are going to depthen the previous green side by side. It is quite blendable palette. Like, I didn't find any issues in blending this stuff. Beauty Glazed is a good brand, honestly, if you ask me, in terms of getting shadows done, right? Now, let's go into, I think this darker green, this over here, more like a teal sort of green. Let me check if, oh shit, we dropped. To check if any other compartment has a similar sort of green or something related to green. Definitely the blue compartment over here, it has some mint shade, some green over here, so you can use these as well, but I am not in the favor of mint and all that jazz. I want to have like a good, I don't know, parrot lime green sort of thing. So yeah, let's get into the color that I showed you previously. This is good. This is a nice color. This is a little powdery. As compared to previous colors, this color is a little powdery. I want to try this same green from the blue compartment, right? So let me try this green on the other eye to see if this is the similar color or there is something different. There has to be something different over here. See, this is very similar. Can you pick out the difference? Because I seriously can't. This color is a little difficult to put and blend. Like, it is a little powdery. It is just losing its intensity as I'm going in. It's just moving a lot. So yeah, that is something. This color is not like as seamless as the previous two colors. But despite of saying that, I feel we have reached like a good should I say, we are in a good place right now. There are a few shimmy shades. As I told you, these two are very similar. I want to swatch these together, right? So see, these are similar, right? So oh yeah, this is definitely similar. These are two similar shades. There's literally no difference in this. So what shall we do with the eyes? This is the two color that I wanted to use. This is one of the green colors, this green over here, and this is the lime color. And wow, what should I do? Like, I am literally unable to understand. I think I will go with this green over here, and this is Soul Sister. And taking a flat shader brush, and just take this green color. Oh, this is such a different green color. Like, do you see? This is like a putty green. How do you put it? Okay. I'm using my finger because I'm not sure if brush is going to help me. Okay, this is a good color, but I think this color needs a little bit of layering beneath. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this olive green color that we used within the very first for the blending part. I'm just going to take this olive and I'm just going to put it on the lid as a base. So I'm just going to put out a little olive on the base lid over here. Yeah. This is good, right? And now just going with the aura and out wala color, this Soul Sister. Wow, this is a very different color. Ooh, you see this? This looks good. This is cute. Okay, let's finish the other eye as well. This is fine. Let me just fix it with a little bit of brush. So I think this looks good. This spa. Let's complete the lower lash line, and I'm going to take this color. We haven't used this yet, so let's try this one. Let's see if it's good or not. Right, and my nails are literally, see, there's this blue color on my hands, and definitely this is from some color beneath. So you are going to destroy half of your colors, literally poking your fingers through it, poking your nails through it, and that's not good. Okay. Finding this color very similar to this color, isn't it? Like, I see no difference, and this color has some fallout going on my face. Let's do like a winged eyeliner first. I'm using this Green tattoo eyeliner. Let's do a winged eyeliner first. Okay, so it is a good wing day today, and my hands look like shit at this point, right? And yeah, I'm taking like a inner corner brush sort of thing, and I am taking this green color over here, and I'm just popping it in the inner corner. Oh, see, this is a good pop, right? I'll darken it up with a little bit more mint from the palette. I've actually used this fresh cut, you know, the powder one, matte one actually, you know, to make it a little bit more poppy. And I think this is where I think I will call it enough. Okay, closing this palette. Now let's finish this look, ashes and stuff and lipstick and everything, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. My lashes are literally losing some shit of theirs, so that is that. Also, I did something different also. I took this color, this again lime green color, on a eyeliner brush. Yeah, on, you know, this sort of eyeliner brush, and I just took it over here, you know, this portion, and a little bit, you know, around my wing. I think this dress, this look, oh my gosh, she looks expensive. Yeah. So yeah, also for the lipstick part, I used Nikake Turkish Rose with my Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut, and I just topped it with some Celebrity Skin Velour liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star, and this is the nude I have. This is more like an ombre lip, pink, and a little bit of Celebrity Skin in the middle, and I think this lip color looks so good. Like, this is good. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. Now, as far as this color board is concerned, now I generally feel I have literally tried like almost every shade from the green party. We have yet to use this orange. I am not going to do another orange look because I just recently did like 2 oranges, so I will keep this whole orange / coral red thing for the fall season. That's when we are going to fall into the fall, and so that is that. Okay, so this particular blue color, I think, see, there are a lot of nude colors over here. Like, literally this whole L is literally nude colors, and this is entire blue, mint, and a little bit of other colors, and then we have all these purples and pinks. I think the last 2 boards, this purple, pink and blue and all this, I'm going to try it soon. This is going to be another tutorial for another time, maybe on my Instagram or something like that. Just in case you haven't followed me there, do follow me there as well. I'll put everything in the description box. And yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you like it and if you like what I did, and yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.